Hi, welcome to the Christmas season now, and I just wanted to say that I was out again today, and all the Christmas decorations, and when I was at the mall again today, all the Christmas decorations and all the kids loving it, and I was just started thinking about again, what's the true meaning of Christmas? The true meaning of Christmas is about the birth of Christ. Well, Christ, or Jesus, was not born in December. He was not born on the 25th of December. He was born in the summer. That's really ironic, I know, because all these people now that are out buying presents and all these colors that go up and everything, it's only about commercialism. The whole thing is about making money. It's only about making money. Just like so many other things in this world right now, it's all about money. Do you think those stores put up the decorations to make it look pretty so that just so people appreciate it? No, it's because they want to pull you into the store, of course, so you'll buy stuff. I saw so many people today on the train just having all these fancy gift bags with all the presents already wrapped and stuff, and I'm thinking, you know, I even talked about this on my podcast, keep a couple of presents off to the side and just give the money to people that really need it. It's very, very much needed right now that there are so many people on the earth that are so poor or homeless that this whole thing that started, I've got to keep my thread going here. What I'm trying to say is that the commercialism has gone crazy. When I was a kid, sure, we had the same thing. We had the Santa Claus thing. I sat in Santa Claus's lap. But back then it was a lot less commercial than it is now. Now, every place you look, it's pushed into your face. And if it's not Christmas, then it's Easter. If it's not Easter, then it's whatever, Kwanzaa or whatever other holiday that you can use as an excuse to sell more stuff. And the term Black Friday gives me the creeps. Why is it called Black Friday? It sounds so morbid to call it that. I don't know if it just got people's attention or whatever it was, but it's crazy. But this whole sickness about commercialism started with consumerism, Back in the 1920s, there was a man named Elmo Calkins who convinced people that, and if you don't believe me, look it up, Elmo Calkins. Back in the day, way back then, people, when they purchased a car or purchased let's say, anything that was supposed to be long-lasting, like let's say, a washing machine or something like that, he convinced people that those things are like, you can use them up just like toothpaste or a bottle of milk. That you have to think about it like that you can just throw. That's what created the whole throwaway culture, which is extremely sick right now. It's just, I mean, I'll even mention in a very, very good documentary called The True Cost, there was a mention in there about how many trillions of, I think it was $2 trillion worth of clothing that is thrown into the trash heap. Not in the United States, not in any country that you live in, rather in the third world. So in the third world, they have these huge mountains of clothing that people thought, okay, I'm just going to throw away this shirt. I've already had it for 1 week. You know, I needed to get a new shirt. Maybe it's because I'm older now and I grew up where I had hand-me-downs and everything, but even now at my age, I'm still buying used clothing wherever I can. You're only supporting an industry that is really, really sick. It's really sick that people are going out to it has nothing to do with Christmas now. This is just commercialism in general. That you think you have to always go out and buy something new. And I wish Elmo Calkins had never been born, because things have gone just like this over the last it's over 100 years now since he started that whole thing, and it's never slowed down. It's only gotten worse. And now Christmas is getting worse every year, year after year. Christmas is getting worse. It's more commercialized than ever now. And it hurts me to see it. The Italians had it right many years ago, where we're just always, the family was together, the extended family, they sat together and they had a good time. Even at Christmas time, they would just sit and enjoy each other's company and talk. Now it's like, rip all the presents open. I didn't get enough presents. You know, like I wanted to have. We are so spoiled as a human race. I mean, not everyone, but in the Western world, we're so frigging spoiled. All I can say is that I really hope that the whole Christmas holiday goes back to, let's say, respecting the birth of Christ. Even though he wasn't born then, that's the reason why it was created. It wasn't created to spend billions or trillions or zillions of dollars all around the world because some stores decided that they wanted to sell more things. It's not about selling, it's not about buying, it's about the birth of Christ or Kwanzaa, the birth of whoever you believe in. The main point here is, look at the reason for the holiday, and it's not to buy things. Don't believe the commercialism that you see all the time, all the advertisements about Black Week this and Black Week this and Black Friday that, and I can't even talk anymore. It just has inundated everyone now so that they believe. I don't believe it, but so many people fall for that, and I don't even, in fact, it just turns me off. It really turns me off. So I hope you understand what I'm saying about this holiday season and every holiday season in the last many years. That's not about Jesus Christ or whoever. I'm sorry, I don't know who they celebrate in Kwanzaa. It's only about selling, and it's about profits. Well, thank you for watching, and all the best, and I hope that you have a nice holiday season with your family. And if anybody says, I didn't get enough presents, explain it to them. It's really not that important. It really isn't. What's important is the family unit and the love that you show each other in the family. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice season, and I really do hope that you can spend time with your family like the old Italian style and really enjoy each other's company and talk. Don't be all stuck in your phones and doing everything else. Give attention to the kids. Give attention to your extended family, but not to the presents, and try to cut down on the presents and think about people that don't have enough to buy presents, please. Thank you for watching, and good night or good morning or whatever time you have, wherever you are in the world. All the best to you and lots of love. Bye-bye.